Me bagay, si mou 18 me rive. Compa Fest is here. Compa Fest is here. Compa Fest is here. Compa Fest is. Haitian Flag Day is finally here, so it's only right that we have a look that is paired with the festivities that are bestowed upon us. If y'all not already down here for the weekend, I know that you're probably celebrating wherever you are all over the world. I mean, so déjà arrivé là, so déjà pour avion arrivé là, go 18 May. You know, welcome to South Florida. I hope you enjoy your time. Make sure you stay safe, stay dry out there. Sou wam nan la ria, wap wem, paske mapla. This is our national holiday to celebrate our flag. This is not Independence Day. That's the royal T for this video, because a lot of people have been saying, oh, you know, it's our Independence Day. Do you not know the facts of your culture? May 18th and January 1st are two different things. Okay, boop. I'm giving y'all red and blue. I'm giving y'all red and blue everything except the lips with this double cut crease ombre red and blue look. If you have not subscribed, and if you are not part of the royal gang, make sure you subscribe down below. Click the like button. Make sure you share. Oh no, sa fuck no share sa mes amis. Oh, Timoun. Fuck no share sa. Ou pa bezo festinji. Ou met share li, ou met baluti like, baluti love, baluti comment. Come on. Let's get down to business. I promise you it's not as bad as it looks. So to start off, I'm going to use a lighter concealer. This is in the color Pure Beige, so I can get more color payoff from the palette that I'm going to use. And then I'm going to set it with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. For this look, I'm going to use the box of crayons by Crayon Case eyeshadow palettes. Yes, nails red and blue, eyes red and blue, flag red and blue, everything red and blue, everything red and blue. Gang. I want to start by creating the crease that's a little bit higher than my crease. To create the first crease, you're going to need a really dense shadow brush like this. This is the one that I'm using. This is by Elf. You can get this for $1. And this is really going to help concentrate and create that upper crease that we need up top. I'm going to start by going into the color red, and this is the color that I'm going to use to cut my crease, or cut my higher crease. So I'm literally going to take the red and I'm going to apply it a little bit higher than where my crease actually is, right here. I have hooded eyes, so I got to go a little bit higher than usual. Don't worry, we're going to blend that out. And I'm going to go halfway into the eye. This is the brush that I'm going to use to blend, and this is the Elf Professional Blending Brush. I'm so excited for this look. I forgot to put on tape too. Sheesh. Red and blue are not easy colors to work with. I'm just saying. With that same brush, I cleaned it off first. Make sure you clean it off. With that same brush, I'm going to go into blue, and I'm going to apply it the same way I applied the red. What you want to do is make sure that you're blending it into the red a little bit, because you want the red and the blue to blend. You don't want that to be like harsh. And then I'm going to like drag it out to make like a wing up top. So it's going to be like a double wing, double crease look. DJ Dous. Just go back and forth between defining the crease and blending it out until it's to your liking. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm just going to manipulate the red and the blue until I find it perfect for what I like. So now I'm going to apply the colors onto the lid. Now, in order to apply the colors onto the lid, there's like a method to the madness. My real crease is right here. So my real crease is going to be left untouched. Notice how I put the upper crease higher than where my real crease is. So now I'm going to apply the color lower than my real crease so that my actual crease is left alone. So whatever we have here, this space here, is what we're going to achieve here. I'm using a flat brush like this. It's a real flat shader brush, and I'm going to apply this to the half of my lid. And while I'm applying it, I'm kind of like making it look like a cut crease as well. I want to make sure that I still leave that gap in between the upper crease and the lower crease. So in order to keep it defined, applying the lower colors has to be clean. See what we have going on here. You could kind of leave the look like this, but you know it's Haitian flag day, so we gonna be extra ordinary. I have some red and blue glitter that I'm just gonna apply a little bit to the red. I'm gonna apply the red to the red and the blue to the blue, and then I'm gonna mix them together in the middle so I have that transition between the red and the blue. Got these from Hobby Lobby. Lashes on, eyes are pretty much done, so let's get into the face. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I'm gonna use on the face, run right through it, and then we'll come back and finish everything.